Welcome to the majestic world of the beautiful Altum Angel. Scientifically named Pterophyllum altum, the species is an absolute aquatic masterpiece.
The stunning freshwater fish originates from the beautiful rivers of Colombia in South America.
A highly striking silver coloration covers the entire main body beautifully.
Bold, dark brown vertical stripes completely divide the silver body.
Notice the incredibly tall and majestic dorsal fin pointing straight upward.
Extremely long ventral fins reach downwards, creating an elegant silhouette.
The Altum Angel reaches an impressive maximum size of 15 centimeters, or 6 inches.
Many aquarists consider the Altum Angel the absolute most beautiful angelfish species.
A highly distinct notch above the snout area separates the species from regular angelfish.
The tail fin features completely clear and transparent sections gracefully.
The species demonstrates an incredibly peaceful, yet semi-aggressive personality.
Hello, and welcome. The large fish swims safely alongside medium-sized, peaceful community fish.
Always avoid housing the species with tiny nanofish to prevent accidental consumption. A large group establishes a highly complex social hierarchy naturally.
Provide a minimum tank volume of 30 gallons, or 115 liters. The fish requires an exceptionally tall tank to easily accommodate the massive fin span. Carefully arranged natural driftwood structures replicate the complex wild habitat.
Smooth stone decorations add necessary complexity to the aquatic environment.
Large aquatic plants form beautiful dark caves for comfortable resting. Maintain the water temperature warmly between 24 and 28 degrees. The wild species demands extremely acidic water, ranging from 4.8 to 6.2.
The fish thrives exclusively in highly pristine and extremely soft freshwater. Require an exceptionally low water hardness level, strictly between 1 and 5 kh.
The demanding requirements create a highly difficult care level meant exclusively for advanced aquarists. The species absolutely needs the highest water quality in constant pristine conditions. Faded body colors immediately indicate that the pristine water quality is dropping. A massive weekly water change keeps the highly sensitive environment perfectly stable. The omnivorous fish eagerly accepts high-quality commercial flakes.
Small sinking meat pellets provide an excellent and completely balanced diet.
Live brine shrimp trigger the incredible predatory accuracy of the majestic fish.
Frozen bloodworms provide massive protein boosts for maintaining the vibrant appearance. Specialized vegetable matter supplements ensure perfectly balanced long-term nutrition.
A completely plump belly indicates highly successful daily feeding routines.
Sometimes the wild fish avoids flakes completely, preferring live meaty foods instead.
A fight. The elegant group competes playfully and peacefully for floating food items.
During the rare breeding season, the fish form naturally bonded pairs. Successful captive breeding remains incredibly rare and exceedingly difficult. A completely separate breeding tank with dim lighting increases spawning chances.
The female meticulously cleans broadleaf surfaces before the spawning process.
The female carefully deposits tiny eggs onto a completely flat stone surface.
The male follows the partner closely to fertilize the eggs immediately.
Always separate the adult fish entirely to ensure the eggs remain entirely safe.
The tiny fry will hatch incredibly fast after exactly 3 days.
Highly specialized microscopic baby food is absolutely essential for the tiny fry.
Growing fry enthusiastically hunt newly hatched Artemia for rapid development.
The juvenile fish slowly starts developing the signature dark brown stripes.
A totally black background poster makes the silver body visually explode.
Species brings an undeniable level of majestic elegance to the lush green layout.
The wild river fish thoroughly enjoys swimming directly into a gentle water flow.
During the quiet natural night cycle, the fish rests calmly near the dark gravel.
The morning lights instantly awaken the entirely energetic daily swimming behavior.
The careful fish completely ignores the delicate leaves of expensive aquatic foreground plants.
The highly cautious fish reacts very quickly to sudden shadows passing overhead.
The confident group always returns quickly to the open central swimming area.
Calm fish interacts entirely peacefully with daily tank maintenance cleaning tools. Flawless breathing relies heavily on a highly oxygenated and absolutely pristine environment. The fish explores the deep corners for entirely undisturbed daytime resting spots.
Color-enhancing LED lighting makes the silver scales and dark stripes visually pop.
The thorough fish occasionally checks crevices in the rock hardscape for hidden food. The fish avoids extremely bright surface light by swimming continuously in the lower zone. The elegant group establishes a totally peaceful and highly stable social hierarchy.
Natural dried Indian leaves release beneficial health-boosting tannins safely.
Rapid gill plate movement processes the highly oxygenated water entirely continuously.
The large schooling group creates a highly elegant and dynamic uniform swimming pattern. The species provides a highly engaging challenge for keeping premium wild fish. An extremely thin body profile perfectly indicates the classic angelfish shape.
Dense clusters of bright green stem plants add immense visual depth perfectly.
Lastilies. The species is an exceptionally unique and highly rewarding pet for advanced keepers.
Notice the highly distinct silver scale pattern reflecting faintly above the dark stripes. Specialized sinking carnivore pellets are caught mid-water with incredible speed and agility. Subtle reddish iridescence is often visible directly on the top head area.
The omnivorous school eagerly swarms highly nutritious pieces of fresh, meaty foods.
A totally clear anal fin stabilizes the lower body entirely during graceful swimming.
The fish serves as the absolute perfect dynamic centerpiece for large advanced aquariums. The Altum Angel demonstrates exactly why the Cichlidae family is universally loved worldwide. Behold the highly unique and majestic beauty of the incredible Altum Angel.
Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing expert fish care guides. Hit the bell to join the massive global aquatic fish keeping community. Do you own the beautiful wild Altum Angel? Tell us below.
The Altum Angel is a true 5-star addition for expert aquarists.
Thank you for exploring the highly elegant and unique freshwater fish species.
See you in the absolute next amazing and exciting aquatic adventure.
Stay highly passionate about the incredible and highly rewarding aquarium keeping hobby.
Keep your water highly oxygenated and your premium fish incredibly happy.
Nature provides the absolute best inspiration for any home aquarium setup.
The Aquatic Lie is your ultimate home for everything related to fish keeping.
Always remember to appreciate the unique, majestic centerpieces in your beautiful aquarium.
The highly peaceful fish simply ignores the aggressive behavior of other tank mates. The Aquatic Lie. Happy fish keeping.
A clear, distinct eye with a tiny black pupil continuously scans the pristine water. The massive group glides in perfect unison, exactly like a silver and brown ribbon.
The tall fins look exactly like an elegant crown moving through the water.
The active fish loves swimming directly through small bubble curtains for playtime.
A highly robust and healthy muscle structure is built specifically for majestic swimming.
The completely peaceful species coexists perfectly with small bottom-dwelling catfish safely.
The entire school carefully investigates newly introduced pieces of natural driftwood.
A tiny glint of light reflects beautifully off the silver scales during turns.
The fish rests perfectly disguised as a shadow among the tall Vallisneria leaves.
The unique vertical shape adds essential movement to tall and expansive aquascapes.